In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. This process is straightforward, but having a clear guide can make it even simpler and stress-free. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser, or if you're a fan of efficiency, you might want to use Chrome for its speed and reliability. Once your browser is open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your account details and activities. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to access your account settings. You'll be looking for the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. It's hard to miss with its distinct shape and placement. Go ahead and click on that. By doing so, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This will take you directly to where you manage all aspects of your account, including your subscription details. Now, to continue with the cancellation process, you'll need to navigate to the Billing and Subscription tab. On the left-hand menu of your screen, you'll see several options. Locate and click on the one that says Billing and Subscription. This link will direct you to the section where all your subscription details and billing information are prominently displayed. In the Billing and Subscription section, take a look under the Your Subscription heading. Here you'll find the option to cancel your subscription. It'll either be labeled as Cancel Subscription or Cancel QuickBooks depending on your account settings or plan. Click on this link to initiate the cancellation process. As you proceed, you'll encounter a series of on-screen prompts. Make sure to follow these carefully to ensure successful completion of the cancellation. At this stage, you might be asked to provide a reason for canceling. This feedback can be vital for QuickBooks as it helps them improve their services. Finally, you'll arrive at the confirmation part of the process. Complete any last steps that are asked of you in the prompts. Upon finishing, you should receive a confirmation email from QuickBooks stating that your subscription has been canceled. Make sure to check your inbox and confirm that this email has been received. This email serves as proof that your cancellation was successful, and it's always a good idea to keep it for your records. And there you have it. By following these clear and concise steps, you're now able to easily and smoothly cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. Whether you're switching to another service or simply no longer need QuickBooks, these steps should guide you effectively through the process. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.